I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel MaddCrafty. Today is day 22 of 25 days of holiday crafts and it is the first night of Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah. So today we are making a Dreidel Pop Up Card. Let me show you how I do it. So I'm taking a piece of general cardstock. My piece is 8.5 by 11 inches and I'm folding it directly in half, making sure I make a really crisp crease. So now I am making 2 cuts in the center of the card. You want to make sure that these are your deepest cuts, and then I'm going to make a little baby cut on the edge just like that. That's for the top of the dreidel. Now I am going to fold that little tiny baby cut that we just made upward and make a really crisp crease again. Now on my left side here, you can see that there's kind of a potential triangle right there, so you are going to flip that upward like this and make a crease there now too. If you open up your card, you can see the dreidel, and now we're going to make it pop up. Now we're just going to fold the creases going in the opposite direction, which is going to be towards you, so push them from the back toward your face and squeeze the creases again. Okay, fold your card back in half once more, and you can see that I am now pushing all of my shapes back in. You need to do that so that it looks like a pop-up dreidel when you open it. So kind of just push them in, and they're going to require another little fold, especially that center piece, because we do not have creases there yet. The triangle just kind of pops back in, and so does the little rectangle at the top. I trimmed the edges of my pop-up portion, and now I'm going to mount this on a new piece of cardstock because you need that for it to work. So I'm taking a blue one here, and I'm just gluing both sides on really securely. I'm trimming my card here so that it's the size that I want it to be. Opening it up, and there's our dreidel. Now's the time to decorate. I love watercolor, so I'm just taking some blue watercolor and coloring just the dreidel portion in, signing my name, writing Happy Hanukkah, and we're done.